We at Bespoke ℂ𝔸𝔝, the only aim and the only objective and the vision and the mission, like you always ask for, is to make sure that we make your car ownership experience as easy as possible. Now, all the time you must have heard, iska to engine lakh kilometers se zyada chala hai. This car has done over 1,00,000 kilometers and now the life is over.
As it looks
Which
like
is not
all
the
the
case.
time.
In countries like Africa,
rebuilding a car
I
engine
have
back,
seen people in
because
countries like Dubai.
if an expert
I have
knows how
seen
to build it
people
back,
who are driving
no
cars for
problem.
more than 5 lakh
He would
kilometers
be able to
with
fix it
basic
in no
engine
time at
rebuild,
all.
provided
You
the
can
job
see
is
it
done
live
right,
that
provided
how
the job is done with some
all it takes
expertise,
is years of
it's
experience,
done
and all
with
it
some
takes is
experience,
expertise
and
to
by
bring your
following
car
a
back to
proper
life.
SOP in place.
Do connect with us
If you do
with
that,
all your
you
queries.
can keep on driving the car, because
We
engine
are
is not the
always
only
free
thing
and
in
we
the
are
car.
always
It's
welcome
just one part of the vehicle, apart from the other
help
things,
you out on a video
which
call,
I would
to
list
help
in
you
another
out
video.
on a
But
conference,
for
even
now,
if you're not
don't
physically
get
located close to us.
scared. Don't
So
live in this
it may be
fear
any
that
car, the
your
engine
engine
remains
went
the same.
bust,
The
and after that
basic
you have to send
mechanics
the car to
around
the
it remain the
scrapyard.
same.
It's not going to happen like that.
So do let us know,
It is
and
simply
we'll be more than
a
happy
procedure.
to take
It's
it
like
forward for you.
it's like a heart treatment. You don't die if you get a heart attack. I'm sure you can fix it. Same way, it's your engine. You can fix it. So all you need to do is address the issue, find a solution, fix the solution, and bring it back on the road. Feel free to connect with us for any advice on a live video call. Even if you're not physically connected with us, we could help you with spare parts, we could help you with advice, we could help you with procedures, and even finding like the right guy next to you, thanks to our pan-India network that we've accumulated over a period of last 13-14 years of being in the car trade. So feel free to connect with us, and we are absolutely excited, energized to make sure that we are going to share our knowledge, we're going to share our experience with you, so that you have a seamless experience. You don't have to go through the pain process of owning an exclusive classic.
रहेगा ना